The Runaway Pumpkin, a Halloween adventure story written by Anne Margaret Lewis and illustrated by Aaron Zins. There once was a little pumpkin who wanted to run away on a Halloween adventure. I want to explore Halloween. I am a little Halloween pumpkin, he told his mother. He thought his mother would miss him. His mother said, before you run away on an adventure, you must be prepared. After all, you are my little pumpkin. Where will you go? She asked. I am going to ride on a witch's broom and fly over Halloween Town, the little pumpkin said. Then I will pack your parachute in case you fall off, his mother replied. You must take care, for you are my little pumpkin. Next, I will go to the spookiest haunted house with my ghost friends, the little pumpkin said. Then I will pack your blankets so you will not be scared, his mother replied. You must feel safe, for you are my little pumpkin. After that, I will dance the monster mash at the greatest Halloween party ever, the little pumpkin said. Then I will pack your favorite monster shoes so you can boogie woogie all night, his mother replied. You must have fun, for you are my little pumpkin. Later, I will join my friends in the mummy wrap contest, the little pumpkin said. Then I will send rolls of tissue, his mother replied. You must wrap and wrap and wrap, for you are my little pumpkin. When I am done, my pumpkin friends and I will enter the pumpkin contest, the little pumpkin said. Then I will give you the best face ever, his mother replied. You must win for being the most handsome pumpkin of all, for you are my little pumpkin. Once the contest is over, I will trick or treat through all of the towns, the little pumpkin said. Then I will make you a pirate costume, his mother replied. You must act like the best pirate ever, for you are my little pumpkin. Finally, I will go on a hayride and visit all the other pumpkin patches, the little pumpkin said. Then I will bake you some Halloween treats, his mother replied. You must share good treats with our pumpkin friends, for you are my little pumpkin. The little pumpkin said. He stopped and he thought. Then he said, if you think exploring Halloween will be so great, then you may as well come with me. Then we will explore Halloween together, his mother replied. After all, you are my little pumpkin. The end. Alright, now using the race strategy, I first need to restate my question. Now, I'm looking at my question and thinking about how I can restate it and answer it to my best abilities. So, the question's asking why the little pumpkin's mom wanted to make him a pirate costume. So that's the question I need to answer. Now let's go back to our book and try to answer that question. Let me read these 2 pages again. Once the contest is over, I will trick or treat through all of the towns, the little pumpkin said. Then I will make you a pirate costume, his mother replied. You must act like the best pirate ever, for you are my little pumpkin. So the little pumpkin said that after he has his contest, he wanted to go trick-or-treating. Now in turn, his mom said he wanted to make a pirate costume for her. So my answer is going to be that the mom was going to make the little pumpkin a pirate costume so he could go trick-or-treating. Now we need to go to our C of the race strategy. Our C is to cite the evidence. Now we have evidence on this page and we have evidence on the second page. So I'm going to cite my evidence right here and right here. So now we need to explain our citation. Why did I cite both pages? Well, on this page we talk about how he wanted to go trick-or-treating. On the other page we talk about how his mom felt like he really needed a costume to go trick-or-treating, okay? So we have our explanation. We have why we needed to cite both pages.